Hello and welcome to AoR Gaming. I've got my hands on a Sega Mega Drive Mini and it's time to open it up, so let's have a look. Okay, so we have the Sega Mega Drive Mini. So, front of the box, it's got its Sonic the Hedgehog, it's got the classic logo as well. Rated M, violence, ooh, watch out parents. Let's have a look, it's got the classic design. What's going on the side here? Nothing overly exciting there. The ultimate computer game console. Oh god, you don't hear them say that anymore. What is that? Okay, graphics and sound, new dimension in gameplay. Ooh, there you go. Just grab it if you can see it, but yeah, there you go. Right, what's on the top here? 16-bit ultimate game console with the official Sega seal of quality. I don't know about you, but that looks a bit cheap to me, but it might have looked cool in the 90s, but I'm just not entirely sure, to be honest. The other side has all the fandangled stuff on it. All the, yep, copyright stuff and whatnot there. It's so exhilarating, just look at it all. Bam, so exciting. Can't really see, it's a bit blurry. But yeah, that's that one. On the bottom, do not dispose of this console on domestic wastes, because why would you do that? History of epilepsy or seizures, yeah, watch out. The manuals in English, French, Dutch, Italian and Spanish, but the games are in English. Manufactured in the UK. Would you look at that? Sega of Europe, HDMI and all that stuff. All the bit we've been waiting for, all the different games, which is rather exciting. I haven't played a lot of these. I've played all of these Sonic titles. I've played a bit of Golden Axe. Echo the Dolphin I own. I played the Master System version of this game, Phantasy Star. Oh, wait, no. Fantasy Zone, I think? Yeah. This one's a bit special because it also has Tetris and some other game called Darius. There we go. Which has been unreleased. So lots of cool titles there, and it's very 90s. But apparently this package includes the following: Sega Mega Drive Mini Console, 2 controllers, USB power cable, HDMI cable, and operations manual. TV monitor with a HDMI port and an AC adapter is required to use this console. You will need to purchase a USB Type A 5V/1 amp output AC adapter separately. Games are in English. And it's a 16-bit ultimate computer game console. Okay, well, we've had a look at every side, I think. Let's open it up and see how we go. There we go, down here. Surprisingly easy. What's surprising me is that the cardboard here is, it's not flush. It sort of sticks up a bit. Okay, how are we going to do this? Can you see? There we go. Okay. Open that up. Does any of this slide out? Yeah, it does. Okay. Well, let's start with this bit here. So, it's the game system itself. It says it's the Mega Drive. Oh, made in China. Oh, this is very confusing. It said it was done in the UK before. How's this open? Ugh, it doesn't say. Up the top. Oh, look at it. It's so cute. So cool. Let's get out the plastic. Slide it out. There we go. Ooh, it's got the special. Should I peel that off? Or should I keep it on? Oh, screw it. Let's peel it off. Oh, is this satisfying or creepy? Let me know. Well, okay, go over there. Cool. So, there's your little Sega Mega Drive Mini. Good little thing there. Oh, smooth. With the special edition of Sonic Mania, they did a little statue of Sonic on the Mega Drive, and this was very clunky, and this was, yeah. But something that the Super Nintendo Mini didn't have, and so the NES, was this little option, which I think is really cool. Also, we've got, I think here it is. Yeah, little adapter bit. So if you had a Sega CD, or Mega CD, I think we called it. Stick that on. Oh god, can I get it back on? I don't even know. There we go. Right. Cool. So, just for comparison, here's one of the old thingies. So it's about a third, maybe even more of the size. So that's definitely not going to go in there no matter how hard you try it. I've already smudged this up. This makes me sad. Yeah, I'm wearing a Sonic shirt. Boop. So yeah, Sega Mega Drive and everything. It's a shame that they squandered everything. High definition graphics and stereo sound. Ooh. Okay, that's that. Let's put that aside and have a look at what else is in the box, shall we? Sit there. Okay. Got the manual, which is important. Don't know if this is what the original manual looked like. I've only ever owned second-hand versions of Sega consoles, so I don't really know what they are, but that's that one. What else is in the box? Okay, this is what we've all been waiting for. I won't get both of them out because I don't need both of them, but the cable looks mildly long. Look at that, that's really cool. You got your A, B, C. That's the thing that always confuses me with these, because I expect A to be here, not here. But I don't know. Feels alright. Plays alright. There's the start button. No shoulder buttons or anything, so this is from the beginning. So yeah, there you go. That's that. So just for comparison, either they've changed the paint job or something. Ew, it's got stuff in it too, gross. But this here, the red, is an original one, and this is the new one. So they're same, basically. Mega Drive control pad, Mega Drive control pad, so I'm not entirely sure why they are different. They could be, oh, this could be from the Mark II, actually. But they're practically the same. I don't know how they feel. These buttons feel, on the left side here, feel a bit soft. That's how the A button was used a lot. But no, the D-pad's good. And they got around using Nintendo's design patent, but yeah. So I kind of like the minis better. USB, of course, because it's 21st century. Compared to this goodies multi-prong attack thingy. So there we go, right. So we've basically got our console on where, what else is in here? We've got the other one, which I won't open. HDMI cable, very important for HD graphics. And finally we've got the power cable. So it's micro USB. It's not mini, not mini, micro. It's not micro C or anything, so it's quite small. Oh, nice. It says Sega on the, I don't know if you can see that, but it says Sega on it, so that's cool. Same deal as pretty much all the other mini consoles. It doesn't come with a power adapter, so you need to find your own, but you know, we've all got old phones and stuff, so now that we've unboxed it, as you can see, there's nothing left, and there's nothing exciting. They've sort of just packed it in well. Good thing I've recorded this, I know how to back it up later. But we've unpacked that, so how about we plug it in and have a play? Okay, so we're ready to turn it on and see how it goes. So I've never done this before, so let's see what happens. You can pick your languages. So there's Japanese, English, French, Italian, Dutch, Spanish, Chinese, and Korean, I think. Let's stick with English for the time being, because that's the language I definitely know how to speak. And we might have a look at Japanese later. Oh, already getting my buttons back to front. Okay, this is cute. So they're all in alphabetical order. There's a beat everywhere. Okay, so it tells me down the bottom here if they're 1 or 2 player, and I think that's probably the genre. Puzzle, I guess. Fighting. Action. Action. Puzzle. Oh look! There are the 2 games that... Oh! Fighter. Ah. The Sega Mega Drive was released in Australia in September 1990, while the Mini was released 29 years later on the 19th of September 2019. Unfortunately for the UK and the Middle East, they won't be getting it until the 4th of October 2019. This fine little console is Sega's first hardware release since the Dreamcast 20 years ago. Ah, no! In order to achieve this beautiful little Mega Drive, Sega teamed up with the company M2, who did the Mini NES and the Mini SNES with Nintendo. Ow! When you change the language to Japanese, you get the Japanese box art, which is actually pretty cool. So what do we got? Columns is different, Altered Beast, not so much. Vector Man, Sonic Spinball. Yeah, some things haven't changed too much. The Sega Mega Drive sold 30.75 million units in its lifetime, which was less than the Super Nintendo, but still a solid effort. If you've enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, and share. And if you'd like to see more, hit the subscribe button.